Jo, děkuju. Já si to ještě zkontroluju. Jo. Lukáš B. Tak, zatím nedali, někde jinde. Jasně, děkuju. Naschle. Fuck. Okay. No, povídejte. Dobrý den. No, peníze vám bohužel nedám. Já to chápu, no. Já se podívám, tak vydržte. Já to chápu. No, já to chápu, no. Lacka. Jo? Není zač. Hezký den. Děkuju. Okay, so that was homeless guy. That will be definitely one of my topics, but I will leave it for next time, I guess. Or maybe, since I'm not doing anything interesting. Last time I was giving him a meal, because sometimes it happens when the order is late.